Welcome to Shaker Maths. Today we are going to learn 7th class Mathematics Semester 1, second chapter Fractions and Decimals review exercise. Before going to do the exercise, let us learn the textbook concept. Second chapter Fractions, Decimals and Rational Numbers. The main content items in this chapter are number 1, Introduction. Number 2, multiplication and division of fractions in word problems. Number 3, multiplication of decimals. Number 4, division of decimals. Number 5, rational numbers. Number 6, word problems on rational numbers. But here in this video, we are going to learn introduction and review exercise only. Now, introduction. We know that a part of the whole is a fraction. We have learnt different types of fractions, 4 fundamental operations on fractions, decimal numbers, addition and subtraction of decimal numbers in previous classes, that is in 6th class. There are several situations in our daily life where we use fractions, decimals and rational numbers. Some of the situations are shown in the following pictures. Now let us take the first picture. In first picture, a round pizza is divided into 8 equal parts and one part is taken. So that can be represented as 8 parts in the denominator and taken 1 part in the numerator, that is 1 by 8. It is an example of a fraction. If 1 is divided by 8, we get 0.125. It is an example of a decimal number. Now see the second picture, a digital weighing machine reading. It is showing 139.15. It is a decimal number. That is also terminating decimal number. So it is also an example of a rational number. Let us see the third picture, petrol bunk readings. Usually we go to the petrol bunk to load petrol in our cars or bikes. While pump is loading petrol, we see the readings of liters or the cost. That is represented in decimal number or rational number. Now let us recall what we have learnt in previous classes, that is in 6th class. Here is a picture containing fractions. Identify and put a tick mark on like fractions in the picture. Let us recall what is a like fractions. Fractions with same denominators are called like fractions. Here is 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 6 by 5, 13 by 5 have the same denominator 5. So these are like fractions. And the remaining fractions, that is 7 by 4, 5 by 3, 2 by 5, 7 by 3 are having different denominators. So they are called unlike fractions. Now example 1. Raju used 3.5 liters of milk in the morning and 2.5 liters of milk in the evening to prepare tea in his hotel. What was the total quantity of milk he used? Here observe the word total. It indicates addition. That is, we have to do addition of fractions in this problem. Now solution. Milk used in the morning is equal to 3.5 liters. It is a mixed fraction. Let us convert it into improper fraction using addition and multiplication as 2 into 3 plus 1. That is 2 into 3 is 6. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7 by 2 liters. Milk used in the evening is equal to 2.5 liters. That is 2 into 2 plus 1 in the numerator by 2 in the denominator. That is 2 into 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 by 2 liters. So total quantity of milk he used in the hotel is equal to 7 by 2 plus 5 by 2. Here observe the fractions are like fractions because they are having the same denominator too. So we have to just add the numerators. So that is equal to 7 plus 5 by 2. That is equal to 12 by 2. On simplification by 2 to 6 ja. That is equal to 6 liters. That is 6 liters of milk he used in the hotel. Now let us take example 2. Subtract 3 by 5 from 7 by 2. Solution 7 by 2 minus 3 by 5. Here observe that the denominators 2 and 5 are different. So these are unlike fractions. So to do subtraction we have to convert it into like fractions. For this we have to find out LCM. LCM of 2 and 5 is 2 into 5, that is equal to 10. So now let us convert 7 by 2 into like fractions by multiplying numerator and denominator by 5, that is 7 into 5 by 2 into 5, that is equal to 7 into 5 is 35 by 2 into 5 is 10, 35 by 10. Now let us convert 3 by 5. Multiply 3 by 5 numerator and denominator by 2, that is 3 into 2 by 5 into 2. 3 into 2 is 6 by 5 into 2 is 10, 6 by 10. Now observe the denominators. Both are having 10 as denominator. So above fractions are converted into like fractions. Now we can do subtraction. So 7 by 2 minus 3 by 5 is equal to 35 by 10 minus 6 by 10 is equal to just subtract numerator, that is 35 minus 6 by 10 is equal to 29 by 10. Therefore 7 by 2 minus 3 by 5 is equal to 29 by 10. Now let us take example 3. Solve the following 1, 2. Solution number 1, 3 by 4 into 1, 2 by 5. Here observe that 1, 2 by 5 is a mixed fraction. Let us convert it into improper fraction as 5 into 1 plus 2 in the numerator by 5 in the denominator. 5 into 1 is 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 by 5. That is equal to 3 by 4 into 7 by 5. That is equal to, in the numerator, 3 into 7, that is equal to 21. In the denominator, 4 into 5 is equal to 20. That is 21 by 20 is the answer. Number 2. 2, 2 by 3 divided by 1, 1 by 5. Now let us convert 2, 2 by 3 as improper fraction as 3 into 2 plus 2 in the numerator by 3 in the denominator. 3 into 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8 by 3. Next, 1 by 5. Let us convert it into improper fraction as 5 into 1 plus 1 in the numerator by 5 in the denominator. 5 into 1 is 5 plus 1 is 6 by 5. That is equal to 8 by 3 divided by 6 by 5. That is equal to 8 by 3 into, we should write the reciprocal of 6 by 5, that is 5 by 6. So 8 by 3 into 5 by 6. So in the numerator 8 into 5 is 40. In the denominator 3 into 6 is 18. That is 14 by 18. On simplification by 2, 20 ja, 2 9 ja, that is 20 by 9. By dividing 20 by 9, 9 2s are 18. By subtraction we get 2. So we can write this as a mixed fraction as 2, 2 by 9. Now let us learn what is a proper fraction. If numerator is less than denominator, then it is a proper fraction. Let us take an example. 2 by 3. Here numerator 2 is less than the denominator 3. So 2 by 3 is a proper fraction. Now improper fraction. A fraction in which numerator is greater than denominator. Let us take an example. 5 by 3. Here the numerator 5 is greater than denominator. So 5 by 3 is a improper fraction. Mixed fraction. A fraction in which whole number and proper fraction, then it is mixed fraction. Example 2, 3 by 5. Where 2 is a whole number, 3 by 5 is a proper fraction. Now let us do review exercise. First problem. Look at the fractions and fill them in the table. Write numerator and denominator. In the first fraction 1 by 2, numerator 1 is less than the denominator 2. So it is a proper fraction. Put it in proper fraction. In the second fraction 5 by 3, numerator 5 is greater than denominator 3. So put it in improper fraction. It is converted into mixed fraction by dividing 5 by 3. 3 ones are 3. By subtraction we get 2. So 1 2 by 3 is a mixed fraction. Now third fraction 11 by 9, numerator 11 is greater than denominator 9. So it is improper fraction. Put it in improper fraction. Divide 11 by 9. 9 ones are 9. By subtraction we get 2. So mixed fraction is 1 2 by 9. Next fourth fraction 23 by 25. Numerator 23 is less than denominator 25. So it is a proper fraction. Put it in proper fraction. Next fraction 19 by 100. Numerator 19 is less than the denominator 100. So put it in proper fraction. Last fraction 99 by 70. Numerator 99 is greater than the denominator 70. So put it in improper fraction. Divide 99 by 70. 70 1 ja 70. By subtraction we get 29. That is 129 by 70 is the equivalent mixed fraction. Now number 2. Write the following fractions in ascending order. 1, 2, 3. Solution 1. 3 by 2, 5 by 2, 1 by 2, 17 by 2, 9 by 2. Here observe that all the fractions have the same denominator 2. So these are called like fractions. So we can write easily the ascending order of the above fractions by writing the ascending order of the numerators from small to big. So 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 5 by 2, 9 by 2 and 17 by 2. Solution 2. 6 by 5, 11 by 10, 19 by 5, 7 by 10, 5 by 10. Here observe that all the fractions have the different denominators. So these are called unlike fractions. So to write the ascending order, we have to first convert it into like fractions. For this, we have to find out LCM. So write the denominators 5, 10, 5, 10, 10. Divide it by 5. 5 ones, 5 twos, 5 ones, 5 twos and 5 twos. Now divide by 2. 2, 1 same, 2 ones, 1 is same, 2 ones and 2 ones. Now LCM is equal to 5 into 2 into 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 is equal to 5 into 2, that is equal to 10. Here observe the denominators of first and third fractions. Its denominators are equal to 5. So to make it 10, we have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 2. That is 6 into 2 by 5 into 2, that is 12 by 10. 11 by 10 same. 19 into 2 is 38. 5 into 2 is 10. 7 by 10, 5 by 10 same. So ascending order is writing the numerators in ascending order, that is 5 by 10, 7 by 10, 11 by 10, 12 by 10, 38 by 10. That is 5 by 10, 7 by 10, 11 by 10, 6 by 5 and 19 by 5. Now solution 3. 8 by 3, 7 by 6, 3, 1 by 4, 5 by 3, 11 by 4. Observe that in the middle there is a mixed fraction. Let us convert it into improper fraction, as 4 into 3 is 12 plus 1 is 13. So 13 by 4. Observe that all the denominators are not equal, they are different. So these are unlike fractions. To make them like fractions, let us find out LCM. Now write the denominators 3, 6, 4, 3, 4. First divide it by 2. 3 same, 2 3s are 2 2s, 3 same, 2 2s. Now divide by 2. 3 3 same, 2 1s, 3 same, 2 1s. Now divide by 3. 3 1s, 3 1s, 1 same, 3 1s and 1 same. So LCM is 2 into 2 into 3, that is equal to 12. Now observe that the denominator of the first fraction is 3. So we have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 2 into 2. That is 8 into 2 into 2 is 8 into 4 is 32. By 3 into 2 into 2 is 3 into 4 is 12. Now observe the denominator is 6 in the second fraction. So we have to multiply it both numerator and denominator by 2. That is 7 into 2 is 14, 6 into 2 is 12. Now let us take the third fraction 13 by 4. Observe that 4 is 2 into 2. That is, we have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 3. That is 13 into 3 by 4 into 3. 13 into 3 is 39. 4 into 3 is 12. Next, fourth fraction, 5 by 3. Here observe that the denominator is 3. So we have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 2 into 2. That is 5 into 2 into 2. That is 5 into 4 is 20. Denominator 3 into 2 into 2 is 3 into 4 is 12. Next, last fraction 11 by 4. Observe that the denominator is 4. That is 2 into 2. So we have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 3. That is 11 into 3 is 33. Denominator 4 into 3 is 12. So we have to write the ascending order of these fractions by writing the ascending order of the numerators. That is 14 by 12, 20 by 12, 32 by 12, 33 by 12 and last 39 by 12. That is 7 by 6, 5 by 3, 8 by 3, 11 by 4 and last fraction is mixed fraction 3 1 by 4. Next, number 3. Solve the following 1, 2, 3, 4. Solution 1. 3 by 4 plus 7 by 4. Here observe the denominators both are equal. So these are like fractions. So we can add easily by adding the numerators. That is equal to 3 plus 7 by 4. 3 plus 7 is 10. So 10 by 4. On simplification by 2. 2 2 ja, 2 5 ja. That is equal to 5 by 2. Solution 2. 5 by 6 plus 7 by 12. Here observe that the denominators 6 and 12 are different. So unlike fractions. So to make them like fractions, so we have to find out the LCM. So write the denominators 6 and 12. Divide it by 2. 2 3 ja, 2 6 ja. Divide by 3. 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja. Now LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 1 into 2. That is 2 into 3 is 6. 6 into 2 is 12. Observe that the denominator of the first fraction is 6. So we have to multiply both the numerator and denominator by 2 in order to get the denominator 12. So that is equal to 10 by 12 plus 7 by 12. Now add the numerator. 10 plus 7 is 17 by 12. Now divide 17 by 12. 12 ones are 12. By subtracting we get 5. So that is equal to 1. 5 by 12 is the answer. Now solution 3. 1 7 by 8 minus 1 by 5. Observe that the first fraction is a mixed fraction. Let us convert it into improper fraction. 8 into 1 plus 7. 8 into 1 is 8. 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 by 8 minus 1 by 5. Here the denominators are different. So unlike fractions. So let us find out the LCM. The denominators 8 and 5 are not divisible by any number. So its LCM is nothing but its product. That is 8 into 5. That is equal to 40. Now observe that the denominator of the first fraction is 8. So we have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 5. And observe that the denominator of the second fraction is 5. So we have to multiply the both numerator and denominator of the second fraction by 8. So then we get 15 into 5 is 75 by 8 into 5 is 40 minus 1 into 8 is 8 and 5 into 8 is 40. Now by subtracting we get 75 minus 8 is 67 by 40. Now divide 67 by 40. 40 ones are 40. By subtracting we get 27. So that is equal to, in mixed fraction we write 127 by 40 is the answer. Now solution 4. 4 1 by 2 minus 3 1 by 3. Both are mixed fractions. So let us convert it into improper fractions as 2 into 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So 9 by 2 minus 3 into 3 is 9 plus 1 is 10. So 10 by 3. 2 and 3 denominators are different. So unlike fractions. So let us find out the LCM. 2 and 3 are not divisible by any number. So its LCM is nothing but their product 2 into 3. That is equal to 6. Here observe the denominator of the first fraction is 2, so multiply both numerator and denominator by 3. Observe the denominator of the second fraction is 3, so multiply both numerator and denominator by 2. Then we get 9 into 3 is 27, by 2 into 3 is 6, minus 10 into 2 is 20, by 3 into 2 is 6. Now it is converted into like fractions. We can easily subtract 27 minus 20 by 6, that is equal to 7 by 6. Now divide 7 by 6. 6 ones are 6. By subtracting we get 1. So that is equal to 1 by 6 is the mixed fraction is the answer. Now 4. Simplify the following. 1, 2, 3, 4. Solution 1. 1 by 4 of 3. Here the word of indicates multiplication. So that is equal to 1 by 4 into 3. 3 can be written as 3 by 1. So multiplying numerator 1 into 3 is 3. Denominator 4 into 1 is 4. So that is equal to 3 by 4. Solution 2. 5 by 8 of 2 by 3. Here the word of indicates multiplication. So that is equal to 5 by 8 into 2 by 3. On simplification by 2, 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja. On multiplying numerator 5 into 1 is 5. Denominator 4 into 3 is 12. That is equal to 5 by 12. Solution 3. 15 by 4 into 2 1 by 7. Second is the mixed fraction. Let us convert it into improper fraction using plus and into. That is 7 into 2 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15 by 7. Now on multiplying numerator 15 into 15 is 225. By denominator 4 into 7 is 28. On dividing 225 by 28, 28 8s are 224. By subtracting we get the remainder 1. So that is equal to, we can write it in mixed fraction as 8 1 by 28 is the answer. Now solution 4. 3 1 by 3 into 2 2 by 5. Let us convert both the mixed fractions into improper fractions as 3 into 3 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 by 3 into 5 into 2 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12 by 5. On multiplying numerator 12 into 10 is 120. By denominator 3 into 5 is 15. On simplification by 15, 15 8s are, that is equal to 8. Number 5. Solve the following. 1, 2, 3, 4. Solution 1. 3 by 4 divided by 3. That is equal to 3 by 4 divided by 3 can be written as 3 by 1. That is equal to 3 by 4 into 3 by 1 becomes 1 by 3. That is reciprocal of 3 by 1. On simplification by 3, 3 ones are, 3 ones are. On multiplying numerator 1 into 1 is 1. Denominator 4 into 1 is 4. That is equal to 1 by 4. Now solution 2. 8 divided by 2 1 by 7. Second fraction is a mixed fraction. Let us convert it into improper fraction. That is equal to 8 can be written as 8 by 1 divided by 7 into 2 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15 by 7. That is equal to 8 by 1 into reciprocal of 15 by 7 is 7 by 15. On multiplying numerator 8 into 7 is 56. Denominator 1 into 15 is 15. On dividing 56 by 15, 15 3s are 45. By subtraction we get 11. So that is equal to, in mixed fraction we can write it as 3 11 by 15. Solution 3. 12 by 7 divided by 2 by 7. This can be written as 12 by 7 into reciprocal of 2 by 7 is 7 by 2. On simplification by 2, 2 ones are, 2 6 are. On simplification by 7, 7 ones, ones. So on multiplying numerator 6 into 1 is 6. In the denominator 1 into 1 is 1. So 6 by 1, that is equal to 6. Solution 4. 5 1 by 2 divided by 2 9 by 11. Both are mixed fractions. Let us convert them into improper fractions. That is 5 into 2 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11 by 2. Divided by 11 into 2 is 22. 22 plus 9 is 31 by 11. That is equal to 11 by 2 into 11 by 31, because the reciprocal of 31 by 11 is 11 by 31. That is equal to, on multiplying numerator 11 into 11 is 121. Denominator 2 into 31 is 62. By dividing 121 by 62, 62 ones are 62. By subtraction we get 59. So that is equal to, in mixed fraction, 159 by 62.
Thanks for watching video. Don't forget to subscribe. Sekar Maths.